Hey, welcome everybody. My name's Billy and I'm here with Hankster's Hot Rods and Muscle Cars in Homer City, Pennsylvania. Today I want to show you a new item in our inventory. It's this 1990 Chevrolet Iroc-Z Camaro. As you can see, this Camaro is finished in a glossy red paint. The consistency of the paint job is really nice. Sometimes the urethane front bumper and the metal fender, there's some color match issues. This one looks really good. The color matches perfect, just like it should. You can see some of our ground effects here as part of the Iroc package. The fitment on that is good. Striping for the Iroc, it lines up real nice all the way down the side. It's a black and gray color palette. 1990 came with a bigger alloy wheel. These are 16-inch Iroc style wheels on this car. 245, 50, 16 tires all the way around. They're all the same size, all the same width. You can see down here low we have our first badge, our Iroc-Z badge with the 5.7 tune port injection. This car comes with the 350 5.7 liter V8 engine. As we make our way back, we can see some of the blacked out trim on the Iroc. It's going to have black trim around your windshield, black trim around the side windows, and around the hatch as well. Body color, side view mirrors on both sides of the car. We can see our side view glass has a light tint from the factory. It's in good shape. There's no chips or nicks in the glass. Our weather stripping looks nice as well. Black treatment continues with the door handles and the door lock here. And you can kind of see that staple Iroc-Z graphic on the doors. Inside we see a two-tone cloth interior, black and dark gray. Seat upholstery is in good condition. Everything original on the inside of the car. Factory instrumentation. Behind the steering wheel, the 1990 model came with an airbag, so you get an airbag there in the steering wheel. Factory heater controls, the factory Delco Bose radio in this, and you'll see that on the speakers as well. Automatic transmission, 700 R4 in this Iroc. Some switches in our center console, power windows there, and a hatch release. You can see some more power options here on our door, power door locks, power remote mirrors. We do have a power seat, power driver seat in this car as well. All the rubber, it's soft, it's pliable, it's in good condition. This car only has a little over 50,000 miles on the odometer. Those miles are original to the car. So all of the rubber, it's in good shape. Door closes well, very securely. Flush panel fitment here. Our gaps on our doors look good. Fitment of our side skirts, those are nice and tight, not loose at all. As we make our way back, we can see that lower striping continue throughout the back of the car. Same skirting on the back. Large rear window in the hatch with a defroster in there. This back glass is in good shape. I don't see any nicks in it at all. No scratches. Rear of the car, we see a hatch mounted spoiler here. Kind of continues onto the quarter panels of the vehicle. Taillights, red, amber, clear. Those are all crisp, clear, in nice condition. No chips, no cracks, no damage that I can see. Rear bumper, we have a few badges to talk about. Donates our 5.7 liter V8 engine here with a tune port injection. On the other side, it's our Iroc badge. You can, of course, see our striping continues all the way around the car. We talked about that remote hatch release inside. I'll press that and we can watch the hatch go up. If you were to want to open it with a key, you can do that in here as well. So the hatch pops up a little bit and then it's released. Opens very easily. The struts doing their job, holding it up. Some things to talk about back here. We have a fold-down rear seat for more cargo carrying capacity. We have a retractable cargo cover here, which can keep anything safe. You can see it's nice. The carpeting's nice in here, all factory. Another badge about our upgraded stereo system with Bose. A set of floor mats branded with the Iroc logos there. Hatch seal. It's nice and soft. Does what it's supposed to do. No water will be entering the cabin of your vehicle. You can see our third brake light here up in our rear spoiler. When we close the hatch, click it to its first position, the latch will do the rest and draw it down tight. Passenger side, we can look down the side of the car, see it's nice and straight. The panels line up very well. The paint is glossy and consistent. Of course, our striping continues on this side with our pinstripe at the bottom, our Iroc door sticker. Black treatment here as well, all the way around in good condition. See factory anti-theft on the Camaro. We can see that our dashboard looks nice on the car. There aren't any cracks. It's nice and straight, not wavy. Catch a glimpse of our Z28 Iroc badge on the glove box there. Carpet, nice rich color, no stains. And our door panel looks nice on the passenger side as well. Armrest is in good condition, no damage, it fits well, nice and tight. We also have our lock on this side as well. Door closes good on the passenger side too, not much effort to close it. Gaps consistent like they should be. Blacked out trim continues as we see our radio antenna here mounted to the fender, done in black. We look at our windshield and we can see the top tinted. I don't see any damage. I don't see any chips in the windshield at all. Black wipers and wiper arms. You can see all of our marker lights. Those are in good condition on the car. Our stripes still line up well all the way around. The Z28 hood, of course, has the louvers mounted to the top of the hood. Those are not functional, just for aesthetic purposes. With the front, we can see more of that black, those black accents in the middle of the grille here with our Camaro script. Our fog lights, those are nice, they're in good condition. Headlights, glass lenses, no damage on either side. The surrounds, the paint is nice and glossy in there. It looks very nice. You can see our turn signal lenses, those also look good too. I'll go ahead and pop the hood and show you under there. You can see the hood release did its job, popped the hood up for us. As we look under here, we're looking at a lot of originality. We see hood insulation here that's original, our original stickers here, glossy red paint under the hood of the Camaro, on our cowl, on our shock towers, and on the underside of the hood. Good look at that 350 engine, tune port injection. You can see that intake manifold there for the fuel injection. The car is equipped with air conditioning, so all the system is there and functioning. Stock exhaust on the car, so you have your cast manifolds, and you have all your emissions equipment present. Highly original here. We have the original intake, the original air intake there. Our hoses all look good. All the clips and hose clamps are present. Very tidy. All the wiring, all the hosing in place where it should be and in good condition. So that'll wrap it up on the Iroc Camaro. This car and any other car on our website comes with enclosed shipping to the lower 48 states. That's included in the price on our website, and also a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty is also included. If you want to know more about the Camaro, all the specs are going to be on the website along with a lot more pictures. So we're going to take it in the back, put it on the lift, and I'll show you underneath the car. Welcome back. We're underneath our 1990 Chevrolet Z28 Iroc-Z Camaro. We'll take a look and show you what's going on the underside. Take a look here. We have our plastic deflector here. It's nice and secure to the vehicle. This is just going to keep any road debris from flying up into the engine, causing any problems. You can see that this car has the factory cooling system, so factory steel radiator, the 2 electric cooling fans on the Iroc, big 1.5" front sway bar here, keeps the car secured to the road. You know, these cars were built for a road racing series back in the late 80s, so they're known for their handling. So this sway bar is really going to help out there. Our rubber bushings checked. Rubber's good. Good condition power steering system. You can see all of our links here. Good, freshly greased. No leaks from our power steering box here. Everything's nice and dry. You can see that the Iroc is equipped with disc brakes on the front. Check our oil pan here. This is a 5.7 liter V8 engine. Oil pan's nice and dry. Look at the drain plug. We see the same thing. It's nice and dry. Underside of the car is coated in a black coating here, factory stamped steel lower control arms. You can see that the car has new sway bar links. I can see that. I see the bushings there are good on those. Coil springs look good, and a set of front shocks. Those look like they've been recently replaced as well. Make our way back a little bit and we can see some of our driveline components. Here we have a automatic transmission pan here. This is 700R4, automatic with overdrive. Check all around the perimeter of the pan. We don't see any evidence of moisture or leaks anywhere. See our transmission linkage here. This is adjusted properly, so we have good shifting characteristics here on this automatic transmission. All of our brake lines here running to the back of the vehicle, they're nice and secure. They're in good shape. There's no corrosion at all. Factory exhaust system on the car, so we have cast iron manifolds. Coming back to our 2 catalytic converters here. So we have emission standards we will meet with this Iroc Camaro. Always want to check the back of our transmission. We look at the output shaft seal back here. We don't see any leaks there. We're doing good there as well. Okay, we look at the back side of our Camaro. We can see our exhaust continues back to 1 muffler back here with 2 outlets for the exhaust. You can see the floor pans here on the underside of the vehicle. Those are really nice and straight, really clean. Just a super light coating under here, so you can see all the factory markings. You can see that there's no damage on the car. Make our way to the back further. We can see a sway bar on the rear. This is a 7/8 diameter sway bar on the rear of the car. We have a POSI traction rear end in the car. It's a 323 gear ratio in this Iroc. Still want to look at our rubber. We're doing good. You can see our dampers here on the back of the car also look good. E-brake cables, everything's hooked up. Of course, there's disc brakes on the back of the Camaro as well. So 4-wheel discs on this Iroc. You can see a bracing here in the back. What this does is keeps your wheels from shifting from side to side, so that's what we're looking at here. Bushings in the ends of that all look good also. Really nice condition here on the exhaust. That's nice and shiny. No corrosion there to speak of. You can see our 2 pipes exiting the rear. And then we kind of see the bottom area here of our fuel tank and hatch. It all has its heat shielding here, keeps it nice and cool from the exhaust. We're going to go ahead and put the car down, start it up, and you can take a listen to that engine.